Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might sound a little internal, but I promise you, it's one of the most fascinating and crucial aspects of your overall health. We're talking about your gut. Now, when you think of your gut, you probably just think about digestion, right? Food goes in, food goes out. But what if I told you that the trillions of tiny organisms living in your digestive tract are actually running a massive command center that influences everything from your mood to how often you get sick? It's true. This bustling city of microbes, known as your gut microbiome, is a powerhouse, and understanding it can be a total game changer for your well-being. So, grab a glass of water, get comfortable, and let's explore the incredible unseen world within you and how it shapes your entire body. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the gut microbiome? Imagine a vibrant, diverse ecosystem, like a rainforest, but inside your intestines. This ecosystem is home to trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Now, I know the word bacteria can sound scary, but most of these guys are actually your friends. They're essential for your health. This collection of microbes is unique to you, like a fingerprint. It's influenced by your genetics, your environment, your diet, and even your stress levels. A healthy gut microbiome is all about balance and diversity. You want a wide variety of these good microbes working together in harmony? When this balance is thrown off a state called dysbiosis, that's when problems can start to arise, not just in your gut, but all over your body. One of the most mind-blowing connections is the one between your gut and your brain. Have you ever felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? Or had a gut feeling about something? That's not just a saying. It's a real biological phenomenon called the gut-brain axis. This is a two-way communication highway between your gut and your brain, connected by the vagus nerve and a host of chemical messengers. Your gut microbes actually produce many of the same neurotransmitters that your brain uses, like serotonin and dopamine. In fact, it's estimated that up to 95% of your body's serotonin, the feel-good chemical that regulates mood, is produced in your gut. So, an unhealthy gut can directly impact your mental health, contributing to feelings of anxiety, depression, and even brain fog. Tending to your gut health is literally a way to tend to your mind. Now, let's talk about your body's defense system, your immune system. Did you know that about 70% of your immune cells reside in your gut? That's no accident. Your gut lining is a critical barrier, deciding what gets absorbed into your bloodstream and what gets kept out. Your gut microbes are like the security guards at this barrier. They help train your immune cells to distinguish between friend and foe, between harmless food particles and dangerous pathogens. When your microbiome is balanced, it helps maintain a strong, intelligent immune response. But when it's out of whack, it can lead to a condition called leaky gut, where the gut lining becomes more permeable. This allows undigested food particles and toxins to slip into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation and potentially leading to autoimmune conditions, allergies, and a weakened defense against infections. A happy gut means a happy immune system. And what about your weight and metabolism? If you've ever struggled with weight management, your gut might be a key player you've been overlooking. Your gut microbes have a huge say in how your body processes food and stores energy. Certain types of bacteria are more efficient at extracting calories from the food you eat. So, two people could eat the exact same meal, but the person with a certain microbial profile might absorb more calories from it. These microbes also influence the hormones that control hunger and fullness, like ghrelin and leptin. An imbalance in your gut flora can mess with these signals, making you feel hungry even when you've eaten enough. Furthermore, chronic inflammation, starting in the gut, can contribute to insulin resistance, a hallmark of metabolic issues and type 2 diabetes. So, nurturing a healthy gut can be a powerful strategy for supporting a healthy metabolism and maintaining a stable weight. So, we've established that your gut is a big deal. The question is, what can you do to support it? The good news is, you have a lot of control. Your microbes are highly responsive to your lifestyle, especially your diet. The number one thing you can do is eat a diverse range of plant-based foods. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. These foods are packed with fiber, which is the preferred food for your good gut bacteria. They feast on it and produce beneficial compounds called short-chain fatty acids, which nourish your gut lining and reduce inflammation. Aim for variety. The more diverse your diet, the more diverse your microbiome will be. Try to eat the rainbow and include different types of plants in your meals every day. Next up, let's talk about probiotics and prebiotics. You've probably heard these terms before. Probiotics are the live-good bacteria themselves. You can find them in fermented foods like yogurt, with live cultures, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha. Including these foods in your diet can help introduce beneficial microbes into your system. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are the food for these microbes. We already mentioned fiber, which is the ultimate prebiotic. Other great sources include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas. Think of it this way. Probiotics are the new seeds for your garden, and prebiotics are the fertilizer that helps them grow strong. A diet rich in both is a winning combination for a flourishing gut microbiome. Beyond diet, other lifestyle factors play a huge role. Stress is a major disruptor of gut health. The stress hormone, cortisol, can negatively impact your gut lining and alter the balance of your microbes. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial, whether it's through meditation, yoga, spending time in nature, or just taking a few deep breaths throughout the day. Actively working to reduce stress will benefit both your mind and your gut. Sleep is another non-negotiable. Your body, including your gut, does a lot of repair work while you sleep. A lack of quality sleep can throw your microbiome out of sync. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. And finally, get moving. Regular, moderate exercise has been shown to increase the diversity of gut microbes and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria. You don't have to run a marathon. Even a brisk daily walk can make a difference. So, to wrap it all up, your gut is so much more than just a digestive tube. It's a complex, intelligent ecosystem that forms the foundation of your entire body's health. The trillions of microbes living inside you are constantly working, communicating with your brain, training your immune system, and regulating your metabolism. The connection is profound and undeniable. An imbalanced gut can contribute to everything from anxiety and a weak immune system to weight gain and chronic disease. But the power to change this is in your hands. By eating a diverse, fiber-rich diet, incorporating fermented foods, managing stress, prioritizing sleep, and staying active, you can cultivate a thriving internal garden. It's a journey, not a quick fix. But every small positive choice you make is a step toward a healthier gut and a healthier you. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore this incredible topic. I hope this has given you a new appreciation for the amazing world within you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our future deep dives into health and wellness. I do love to hear from you in the comments below. What's one thing you going to do this week to support your gut health? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.